Introducing the Samsung front load with the flex wash, which is two different area for wash agitation. At the top, small wash, and for large wash. Yes, and agitation. Yeah, very unique. Okay, very unique. Alright. This was the first for me with this flex wash. Never seen it before, but it's on the market. You have the digital flex and the analog flex. Alright. I had a little problem of the light coming in at the front, but when I check it, it was a connection corroded due because of the liquid and the powder soap detergent getting on the connection. So if you want your machine fixed, whether it's front loader, top loader, flex pack or single pack, GTM Refrigeration. Back at you again.